Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Ultra. First, understand that Gemini Ultra represents Google's most advanced and largest AI model, designed for highly complex tasks. It demonstrates exceptional performance across text, image, audio, and video, making it incredibly versatile. Its advanced reasoning capabilities allow it to understand nuanced instructions and generate sophisticated outputs. This guide will help you harness its full potential, from basic interactions to advanced applications, ensuring you can leverage its power effectively for your projects and inquiries. To begin using Gemini Ultra, you typically access it via the Google AI Studio or other designated platforms. You will need to ensure your Google account meets any specific eligibility criteria for access. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the user interface. You will find areas for inputting prompts, viewing generated responses, and managing your projects. Understanding the layout is crucial for a smooth workflow, allowing you to navigate and utilize its powerful features efficiently from the very start of your session. Gemini Ultra's core strength lies in its ability to generate high-quality text, whether you need creative content, detailed summaries, or even functional code. Beyond text, you can leverage its multimodal capabilities by providing inputs that combine text with images, audio, or video for richer interactions. Experiment with advanced prompting techniques, such as chain-of-thought prompting or role-playing, to guide the model toward more precise and nuanced outputs. This allows for a wide range of applications, from complex problem-solving to innovative content creation. To maximize your experience with Gemini Ultra, always strive to craft clear, specific, and detailed prompts. The more context you provide, the better the model can understand and respond to your request. Remember to critically review and refine the AI-generated outputs, ensuring they align with your intentions and accuracy standards. Additionally, familiarize yourself with ethical considerations and responsible AI usage guidelines to ensure your applications are beneficial and fair. Continuous experimentation and learning will unlock even greater potential from this powerful tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.